My name is Anthony Mathis, and for the BIOL240 project proposal, I'm going to be going over it here in this presentation. My client is going to be my wife, Cambry Mathis. I love her. And she's a trooper for doing this for me. Her favorite food item is the vanilla Shiver with gummy bears and cookie dough. You would think that it's a little bit of a different type of take on vanilla. It's not vanilla ice cream. It's actually frozen yogurt. But it's a different take, but it's actually pretty good. I tried it. She got from a restaurant, TCBY, and essentially the description for this whole project for my proposal for it is: a Shiver from TCBY, acclaimed as the country's best yogurt, is similar to a Frosty from Wendy's. Same consistency, pretty thick, pretty nice. Not like a Blizzard though. Blizzards are pretty good. It is a frozen yogurt mixed with other condiments, in this case being gummy bears and cookie dough. My client is my wife, Cambry Mathis, whom I love. I love her so much. Is that too much to say? It doesn't matter. I love her. Who frequently visits TCBY for coffee, because it's actually attached to this coffee joint called Lucky Perk, and occasionally frozen yogurt. My wife enjoys this specific item because of the frozen yogurt's effect on gummy bears by hardening them, and the cookie dough stays lumped and complements the vanilla. From this project, I will attempt to describe the nutritional value of this item from my nutritional analysis report. The segments of this NAR, which is the nutritional analysis report, will consist of a profile of my wife, the nutritional analysis of the item, such as nutritional content and fat and sugar and other chemicals that we'll be going over in this class, and then my recommendations for an alternative choice as opposed to this item. So a healthier option, something that may be a lot better for our bodies as a whole. So this is my project proposal, something absolutely delicious. I'm pretty sure that I'll eat this a couple times through these 8 weeks, but I'm excited to share this with you guys. So thanks for watching.